Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to unbox my subscriptions, and these are beauty subscriptions that I have from Ipsy and from Birchbox and from Macy's. If you're not familiar with beauty subscription boxes, basically it's a service that these companies offer, and they basically send you sample sizes. It's a pretty good sample size though, of beauty products. It can be makeup or for your hair, or sometimes they put fragrances in there, and they basically send you like a curated box every single month, and they have themes. Well, they don't always have themes, but you know. So yeah, these boxes are basically sent to you. I paid $10 for Ipsy and $10 for Birchbox, and then $15 or $16 for the Macy's beauty box, because I feel like it has bigger sizes, it has more stuff. Usually the Macy's one does have like luxury goods in there, like luxury brands like Lancôme and stuff like that. So it's a higher end makeup and skincare. And it does actually bring a lot of skincare, which I really enjoy. So to begin, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Ipsy one. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, this one is for the month of July, if I'm not mistaken. So, in the Ipsy one, we have these two sheet masks, and this one is a Caffeine Rush Nourishing Sheet Mask, and then this other one is the same. So we have two of the Coffee Arabica Seed Extract Sheet Masks. And then in the cute little pouch, it's kind of like that holographic type of look. And inside, we have this eyeshadow from OFRA Cosmetics, and I really like their products. Their company is really, really good. It's kind of like a midnight blue with some sparkle in it. So, I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty cool. Then we have Glowtion. Glowtion from the brand Wander Beauty. And I'm wondering... So it says on the back that this Glowtion is a skincare enriched hydrating lotion that delivers a beautiful sheer champagne gold finish wear under or over makeup. So I wasn't sure if it was for the body or for the face. So that's cool. Then we have this Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl. So this is an eyeliner, and it looks kind of like a hunter green. Then I have a live product, AHAVA. This is the Facial Mud Exfoliator. And we also have a card. Okay, yeah, this is for July, just making sure. Just time is just flying by. I don't even know what month it is. So July, and then it has like cute little information in the back. So that's what I got in my Ipsy. So moving on to Birchbox. Let me actually open this up here. So Ipsy usually comes in a pouch, and Birchbox comes in a box. So here we are. How to hack your summer. So it has cute little tips in the front, and in the back it has a list of things that comes in the box, and a description of it, and how much the products are. So first thing I'm pulling out of the box is this TOCCA Cleopatra fragrance. It's actually out of its little pouch thing. Okay, this is a MakeupDrop, the original silicone makeup applicator. This is cool. I've never used a silicone applicator. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And why I'm so excited about this is because usually I use like a beauty blender or like a beauty sponge. And what they're saying is that the silicone ones are better because the product doesn't seep into like the sponge itself, and so that way you use less product. So I'm pretty excited about that. Next thing, oh my god, next thing in here we have is this Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. So hair product. Next we have this Dr. Jart Water Fuse Ultimate Hydro Gel. Doesn't really have a smell to it, but I'm all about that skincare. So here that is. And the last thing in here is this long-lasting liquid lipstick by LARITZY Cosmetics. Let's see what color it is. Ooh, right up my alley. So this is called Tidal, and it's kind of like that pinky nude, like a mauve-y color, which is right up my alley. So that's everything that I have in my Birchbox. Now we're gonna open up my Macy's box, but my Macy's box is really hard to open usually, so I have to like get like a knife or something. Okay, I am back, you guys, and I am playing no games. So I saved the best for last. So this one usually comes with a booklet, and this booklet has the information on the products right here, and then it usually comes with a $10 off coupon or a $5 off coupon. They kind of like go back and forth. So that is pretty amazing. And as you see, I mean, there is a price difference. Obviously, the Birchbox and Ipsy are $10 a month, and this one's $16. It's like 15 and change for the month, but it is hefty. It's much, much like larger products, like the amount of product that you get. So, okay, first thing I'm pulling out of here is this Lancôme Bi-Facil makeup remover. I've actually heard really, really great things about this, so I'm pretty excited to use this. Okay, next up we have the Ritual of Hammam. This is a purifying ceremony for body and soul. Okay, it's a refreshing foaming shower gel. That's pretty cool. Next up we have Clarins Tonic Body Treatment Oil. So it's for firming and for toning. We have Giorgio Armani C Passione. I guess that's the fragrance. We have PREVAGE or PREVAGE by Elizabeth Arden. And this looks really interesting because I really like Elizabeth Arden skincare products. Anti-aging daily serum. And last but not least, there is this POREfessional Pore Primer. Okay, so pretty good stuff. You see, like something like this is obviously super, super tiny, you know, small size, right? But then you have this, it's pretty decent size, right? Let me see this. You can get a couple uses out of that, you know? So I think it's a good bang for your buck when it comes to trying out stuff, because I love to try out stuff before I purchase it, and just like make sure that I love the product before I invest in something, especially if it's like higher priced. So that's everything that was in my beauty boxes for the month of July. Hopefully I'll be getting caught up with everything. I haven't been doing these for a while. For the month of August, because I know that I usually get my boxes like at the beginning of the month or like maybe 1 week past. And I'm going to be trying out like the products and stuff like that. Maybe I won't do an unboxing. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing just yet, but I might be doing these a little bit differently in the future. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are a new subscriber, or if you're new, please make sure to subscribe because I love to make these videos. I pretty much make videos on beauty, on fashion, on lifestyle, on life in general. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye. That's okay. I'll just wait until... No, I'm not live now. Well, I'm recording, but I'm not live.
What are you recording?
I'm recording, yeah. I'm recording on the camera. You weirdo. Get out of here.